You will receive 131.4 fluid ounces. Bottle of shampoo and 131.4 fluid ounces, bottle of conditioner. Expertly designed scalp relief for natural, curly, and coily crowns. Healthier scalp, healthier hair in 3 weeks. Royal Oil's Moisture Boost Shampoo and Moisture Renewal Conditioner balance scalp and restore moisture with regular use. This balanced, moisturizing formula provides long-lasting relief from scalp dryness and itch. Start wash day off right and indulge in the long-lasting scalp relief and hydration of Royal Oil's by Head Shoulders Moisture Boost Shampoo with coconut oil and apple cider vinegar. This balanced, moisturizing formula provides long-lasting relief from scalp dryness and itch while giving hair the hydration it needs to look and feel its most beautiful. Made without compromise and free of parabens or dyes, it's the perfect way to soothe and nourish natural, curly, and coily hair types. Indulge your scalp and hair with the decadent moisture of Royal Oil's by Head Shoulders Moisture Renewal Conditioner with coconut oil and apple cider vinegar. Starting on day 1, this moisturizing formula helps balance essential scalp moisture, giving you long-lasting protection. Use it on wash days after shampooing to soak scalp in lasting moisture. This paraben and dye-free conditioner is the perfect way to give all natural, curly and coily hair types a boost of lasting nourishment and scalp protection. The shampoo-conditioner system are safe to use on color-treated, curly or textured hair types, compared to a non-conditioning shampoo. Top reviews from the United States. Love Head and Shoulders. Love this new one. The smell is great. I have sensitive skin and scalp and this helps minimize that.